Hey friends, it's Mel. I'm so glad that you're here. Tonight, I've got a Kroger haul for you. I've been doing a lot of talking in my grocery hauls about how I save money at Kroger's and their weekly digital deals. If you follow me on Instagram, I showed all the weekly deals this week, and you guys have been showing me all the savings you've got. I love it. I love it. And I can't wait to show you what I got. And it's a lot. So hang on. I told you guys this was a big one. I've not had one like this in quite a while. And I had my hubby with me. We decided just to hit the store together. I hadn't been shopping in store in a while. Really wanted to do that. So this is $330 worth of Kroger's. And I saved over $100. I even had to go on this side of the sink tonight. So let's just start right over here. Got a bag of veggie straws. I got 3 bags of Lay's. This was one of the coupons where you buy 3, you get them for $1.88. So I got classic, barbecue, and sour cream. Got some non-food stuff back here. Got another box of Kleenex. I got a big thing of Kroger brand dishwashing liquid. This is a lot like Dawn, and when you do dishes like we do, you go through it. Patrick grabbed him some shampoo, looks like, and I got a little thing of Snuggle fabric softener. We'll just move right down here to these big items. They had a lot of coupons for Kingsford. Is that what it was, Dad?
Yeah, Kingsford.
Yeah, but Patrick actually saw this Royal Oak. I don't really know that brand. But these are charcoal, and he still had plenty of the one Kingsford one that they had. So he thought he would get this one and mix it together to get sort of a charcoal taste. Can't say I'm opposed to that. Got him 3 6-packs of Diet Mountain Dew. Got the girls 2 12-packs of these Big K Cola O's. It's like Coke Zero. Got some more toilet paper because I get it every time. And paper towels. Now, let's get through this cold stuff so I can get it put up. We got a Detroit Motor City pizza for cheese. This Hillshire Farms, I don't really like these things, but I never indulge Patrick in them. So I got him this and some rice somewhere. I'm going to make him a little meal one night out of this. $2.49 with the coupon this week. Ice cream was also on sale, and this Kroger Deluxe ice cream is some of the best you'll ever have. Patrick wanted vanilla, and he got some toppings, and then we got chocolate chip cookie dough as well. It is good. He decided to go with the Jimmy Dean breakfast burrito meat lover variety and see if he likes that. I just went ahead. The sweet potatoes did not look that good in the produce department, and I'm going to be chopping them up for something anyway. So I just bought this little bag. This was like $2 and something. I just went ahead and got them like this. It'll save me some time too. And I got another bag of chopped frozen spinach. We got a couple of Tortinos. Love them. Got a big loaf of this garlic bread that we love. I just got a few hamburger patties, like 4 patties already mixed up. And got this big old thing. It's like 2 racks of ribs in here. Let's see how much that is. With our Kroger Plus card, these 2 racks of ribs were $20.35. We saved $14.57. Callie and Ryan both have birthdays this week, so we are going to take Labor Day and celebrate them with a little ribbon and do some burgers for those of us that maybe don't like ribs so much. Got a big thing of the Kroger whipped cream cheese. Let's talk about the cheese situation. They had really good digital deals. I believe the shreds and the blocks were $1.69. I'll put my prices up on the screen for you. But I mixed and matched here. I got a Colby Jack, and these are the 8-ounce blocks and bags. I got a Colby Jack, a Monterey Jack, and a pizza blend. And then I got 2 of the Colby Jacks because we like to take crackers and cheese in our lunch, as girls do. Then these, where you get the 8 slices, they were $1.49 each. And you can get up to 5 items with your Kroger weekly digital deal coupons. So I maxed this one out at 5. I got mozzarella, I got 2 medium cheddars, and 2 pepper jacks. And, you know, things were slim pickings getting to be on this cheese by the time I got there. I actually got 2 containers of sour cream and a container of cottage cheese. I got 2 little rolls of crescents, a roll of cinnamon rolls, got a thing of Kraft cheese singles, and Kroger's butter was $2.49 for a pound of butter with a digital coupon. I probably should have got 5, but seriously, I had enough stuff here, so I got 3, and we'll do well with that. Okie dokie, let's finish up this haul now that I got the freezer stuff away. Got me a box of saltine crackers, and I really like the wheat ones, and they were out of the regular, so I went with that. I love to eat these with peanut butter on them, and I'm mainly the one that eats them anyway, so I should just get wheat all the time. Also got a box of these Kroger Club crackers. None of the Ritz or Clubs were that good a price this week, and these are just fine with us. I got 2 cans of black beans. I got 2 cans of chicken noodle soup and 2 cans of vegetable beef soup. Also, we got some caramel ice cream topping. Got a can of tomato sauce and a can of tomato paste. Got a can of artichoke hearts. Got a can of petite diced tomatoes, the good old regulars there. And we have been out of chocolate syrup for quite a long time. So went ahead and grabbed that so Patrick can have ice cream sundaes. And I almost forgot this can of super sweet corn. If you've not had the super sweet from Kroger's, you really can tell a difference. I am kind of spoiled to this now whenever I get the regular. I went ahead and I got 4 cans of this Swanson white chunk chicken breast, and these are actually the 12.5 ounce cans, and these were on sale really good. This is something that I always kept like in my long-term pantry. If I get called on to make a chicken casserole for church and I don't have any chicken in my freezer, or I just want to whip up a chicken salad real quick, these are perfect for that. And it used to be a whole lot cheaper. It's like everything else. The price of it's went crazy. So I got 4 of those since they were on sale so cheap. Now back to the cracker area back here. Lots of good digital coupons on this stuff, and kind of like the deals where with certain products, if you bought the family size and so many of them, you got a really good deal on them. So here's my stock up here. I got a family size Cheez-It. And I got 2 family size wheat thins and 1 family size chicken and biscuit. We'll go through those. Me and the girls, we eat crackers. I tell you, we eat the crackers. This was also in the cheapy stuff this week. When it's on sale, I'll always grab me one of these Sunday salads. They're so yummy. Here is that rice I was telling you I got. This Zatarain's jambalaya. I'm going to fix that up for Patrick one night with that beef sausage and 2 things I hate. Beef sausages and rice, but he's pretty good, so I'll make this for him one night. I got a jar of roasted garlic Alfredo. Got another can of this Hormel chili with beans. That was so good on our hot dogs last week. And here are a couple of things that Patrick found. He is loving this, and I do too. This Kinder's, the blend SPG. It's wonderful on the things that he puts on the smoker. He really likes that. And I don't know if you can see, it's got, if it'll focus, it's got like big chunks, so it's good to make like a rub out of for when you're smoking things. But I mean, I guess that's what it's for. And then this Montreal chicken, we have not had that, so he grabbed that for me and Maddie because we are chicken lovers. I got a German chocolate cake for a recipe I'm going to be making. I got Patrick some Propel grape. Here's all my little bags of things. Got a bag of caramels for a dessert that I'm going to be making soon. And we were getting low on chocolate chips, so I grabbed these semi-sweet. I usually keep semi-sweet and the milk chocolate. And we so enjoyed those pizzas we made the other night. I got us another little pizza crust mix because we had a little bit of sauce left, so we can do that again. And then I got one of these little Mexican rices that I make with tacos for everybody that likes rice on the side. I went old school. I have not bought one of these in so long. I used to always take these about once a week or so in my lunch, these little beef raviolis. They're just a little small can, but I love that with a peanut butter sandwich. So I got me one of those. A couple packs of Trident for Maddie. And the Mios were on the digital coupon deals this week, 99 cents. So I got 2 of the berry pomegranate. We'll see if Callie likes this brand as well as the Kroger brand. This was definitely cheaper this week. Here's some produce that's gone rogue. Let's put it back where it goes. We got our favorite little granola bars back, just the chewy chocolate chip. This is kind of the lunch area here. This will last us a couple weeks. And I don't know if I tell y'all this, but there are like 4 of us in our home. 4 basically adults. Me, my husband, and our 2 daughters. And we all take a lunch. So, I mean, we do a lot of lunch packing here. It saves us money to do this kind of stuff in the long run. And it lasts forever. You know, the crackers, the cheeses I showed you, all this kind of stuff. We go through it. I also get these little chocolate covered granola bars like those. And then Patrick saw these peanut butter ones. He wanted those. This is every week. I'll buy these because we never want to run out. These have the little things with the cheese in them. This one has breadsticks and this one has pretzels. Got some cosmic brownies. Hadn't had those in a long time, and I bought a box a while back, and that has just tickled my girls to death. They were like, we have not eaten these in so long. So that was a nice treat. And some old school oatmeal cream pies. My Kroger did not have pumpkin delights. I looked and looked, and I am ready for pumpkin delights. So I settled for this. I did see this pumpkin spice muffin mix. We'll try that later. I'll probably throw some chocolate chips in it too. And there's some instant mashed potatoes too. Back to lunches. Let's finish it up. Maddie had not had Jell-O in a while. She used to enjoy taking this in her lunch. So I thought, you know, I'm going to grab that. Something different and not had in a while to put in there. Back here in our breads, we've got a pack of hot dog buns and a pack of hamburger buns. Honey wheat bread. Patrick got him half a dozen donuts, looks like. And Chips Ahoy. They were on sale, family size. So I went ahead and I bought 2. They'll last forever. I got just original chocolate chip and Patrick's favorite with the little candies in them. And while I'm over here, let me show you my pasta haul. The cremettes were actually on sale. This was like right over $1, I think, for them. So pasta is kind of iffy. It's hit or miss around here. So I went ahead and I got me a pack of bow ties and a box of penne. I wanted a little spiral rotini one also, and they didn't have it in cremette, so I got the Kroger. It was still fairly cheap. I got that bag of Cheetos that's hanging out back there free with one of my Kroger coupons because I'm such a good customer there. Got a bag of sugar. I did not have any more sugar. I opened my last bag of sugar this week. And really, I only use sugar to make tea, so I keep it stocked up, but we really don't go through it that much. I put it in some dishes, but mainly tea. This big thing of sandwich bags, 180 of them, it was just on sale, and it was just a little bit more expensive than the 80 or 90 pack, so I went ahead and got that. I got us a pack of big burrito-size wraps. Haven't had these in a while, and we have been needing some bigger ones for some things around here. And last but not least, let's hit this produce area. We got a head of lettuce, a bunch of bananas, got a red bell pepper, and I was going for an orange one, and Patrick said he thought those yellow ones looked better. I don't know that I've eaten a yellow bell pepper in forever. I can't remember if they're as good and sweet as the orange, but we'll find out. Got a crown of broccoli, got 1 cucumber, a Vidalia onion, and some green onions. So yeah, this should do us for pretty much the month. I shouldn't have to go back for this kind of stuff till the end of the month. I'll just have to go back in. I still had a gallon of milk. I'll just have to get milk, bread, eggs probably because I didn't get eggs tonight, and produce. So guys, we are set. I hope you enjoyed tonight's grocery haul. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, subscribe. I'd love to have you here. Be sure and tag me on Instagram, Facebook, down in the comments, wherever you like to go, and let me know how you're saving money at the grocery store. And if you want to see more grocery hauls, I'll put a link up here to my grocery haul playlist. Be sure and come back Sunday night to see what's for dinner for the week. It's going to be a good one. And until next time, I send you love, as always, from my kitchen.